Hello guys, this is Shiva here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a price action analysis on volatility 25 index. Alright, as you can see here, I took a trade. Okay, so in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys why I took this entry and my entry method. Okay, so make sure you stick to the very end of this video. Make sure not to skip any part of this video because there are vital information I'm going to be sharing with you guys that will help you become profitable in the long run. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'll be heading to the daily time frame where I normally like to do my analysis. All right, down to the 15 or the 5-minute time frame where I look for my entry patterns or entry conditions. All right, so now I will be going to the daily time frame. So as you can see here on the daily time frame, you can see that the market is kind of moving towards the downside right now. All right, but initially it was ranging, right? It was ranging. If you have been following the VIX 25 index, you see that it has been ranging for some time. All right, so I'll be putting in some trend line here, right, in order to understand the previous movement of the market. All right, in order to have a better understanding of what the market is doing. So as you can see, price was previously moving with this trend line, right, and it eventually broke below it. All right, so now price is heading towards the nearest support area we have here in the market. All right, and the next support area I can spot here is around this area here. All right, this is the weekly time frame. All right, because if I'm to use the daily, I will not be seeing anything. All right, so now you can see, so price is kind of heading towards this area right now. And how do I make the decision of taking this entry? I step down to the 4 hours time frame. So here on the 4 hours time frame, what I did was that I put in some trend line because you can see that the market is heading towards the downside, right? So we need to put in some trend line in order to guide us on what the market is doing, right? Now you can see all indication is pointing towards the downside, right? So now we are to be looking for sell trade. All right, as a trend follower, you look for your downward movement only. Okay, so I did this, then I step down to the lower time frame again. So you can see that all indication is pointing towards the downside, right? And you can see from here initially that there is a counter trend line. All right, there is a counter trend line towards the upward area, right? So I mark this area, and then the next thing was that I put in some support and resistance because initially when I came into the market price has already broke below our trend line. All right, so one thing I've observed from the volatility 25 index market is that whenever it broke below a trend line like this, it hardly goes back for a retest. All right, so what I did was that I put in some support and resistance zone around this area again, right? So there is a support and resistance, right? So what I did was I wait for price to go back for retest, and there was a confirmation of a candlestick around this area. If I am to zoom in, so you can see there is this if you can look at this green candle here, right, there was a long wick and a body here, which is what we call the shooting star, all right, or the inverter hammerhead, right? So all this kind of candlestick, these are confirmation of a sell signal, right? So, and I'm looking for sell opportunity because all indication in the market is giving us a sell signal, right? So we need to look for a sell to the downside, right? So immediately I saw this candlestick pattern, I went in straight for the sell. All right, and as you can see right now, price is almost at my TP, right? So that's why I took this entry. As you can see, it was a very simple analysis, right? And I can decide to like use something like this to guide my entry, right, to guide my trade and still hold for long. All right, but I just want to get in and get out as quickly as possible, right? So once my TP is hit, I can decide to close and then look for the next opportunity to present itself. Okay, so this is what I said I should just quickly share with you guys, all right, so that someone out there can either get one or two understanding or learn something from this short video. Okay, so that's it guys. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. For those of you who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post an educational video like this or a powerful strategy, you get notified immediately. Okay, because here on my channel I post educational video and powerful strategies that will help you grow your small account as a beginner. Okay, and also I have a VIP strategy. It's a boom and crash. All right, that strategy is designed for trading boom and crash, for those of you who trade boom and crash. Okay, even if you're a beginner, you can use the strategy I'm talking about to grow your small account. Okay, so if you're interested, you check the description of this video. You're going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get this strategy. Okay, so that's that about that. I think that's all. Okay, before I go, quick one for those of you who have not yet joined the Telegram channel. The link is in the description of this video also. Okay, so make sure to join there. On the Telegram channel I share free signals on daily basis that will help you grow your small accounts as a beginner. Okay, so I think that's going to be all guys. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you out.